Hello, welcome to our next episode on causes of type 2 diabetes. You can check our previous videos if this is your first time of watching this channel. Let's continue from 17. Hormonal imbalances, conditions like hyperthyroidism or Cushing's syndrome. Hormonal imbalances can interfere with insulin sensitivity and lead to elevated blood sugar levels. 18. Fatty liver disease, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This condition, often caused by obesity and poor diet, is closely linked to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. 19. Intrauterine environment, birth weight and maternal health. Babies born with low or high birth weights, or those whose mothers had poor nutrition or gestational diabetes during pregnancy, are at higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 20. Urbanization and modern lifestyles, shift to sedentary lifestyles. Rapid urbanization has led to more sedentary lifestyles, easy access to high-calorie foods, and reduced physical activity, all of which contribute to the global rise in type 2 diabetes. According to World Health Organization, diabetes is a major cause of blindness, kidney failure, heart attacks, stroke and lower limb amputation. Between 2000 and 2019, there was a 3% increase in diabetes mortality rates by age. While genetic predisposition plays a role, many of the causes of type 2 diabetes are lifestyle-related and can be managed or prevented through healthy habits like diet, exercise, and weight control. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.